Hey kiddos, are you ready to dive into the magical world of alphabets? Let's go on an A to Z adventure.
A is for apple, juicy and red. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, it's often said. B is for bear, big and brown. They love to play and roll around. C is for cat with whiskers so neat. They purr softly and have tiny feet. D is for dog, always ready to play. They wag their tails and make our day. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. They're mighty and strong, yet gentle and kind. F is for fish, swimming in the sea, with shimmering scales, as pretty as can be. G is for giraffe, with a neck that's so tall. They munch on leaves, standing proud and all. H is for hat, that we wear on our head. It keeps us warm and stylish, it's said. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a treat we love, especially in heat. J is for jelly, wobbly and fun, in different flavours. I want more than one. K is for kangaroo, who hops around, with a pouch for its baby, safe and sound. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. With a mighty roar, it makes the earth rumble. Is for monkey, swinging from trees. They love bananas and are always full of glee. N is for nest, where birds lay their eggs, high up in trees on branches and twigs. O is for owl, with eyes so wide. They hoot at night, with the moon by their side. P is for penguin, who waddle on ice. With their tuxedo look, they're oh so nice. Q is for queen, with a crown so grand. She rules the kingdom, with a gentle hand. R is for rainbow, with colours so bright. After the rain, it's a beautiful sight. S is for sun, shining up high. It gives us light and warms the sky. T is for tiger, with stripes so bold. They're fierce and wild, or so we're told. U is for umbrella. That keeps us dry when raindrops fall from the sky. V is for violin, with music so sweet, it makes our heart skip a beat. Where's for watermelon? Dive into the juicy world of this refreshing summer fruit. X is for xylophone, with bars to hit. It makes lovely tunes bit by bit. E is for yo-yo, going up and down. It spins and twirls, round and round. ZI is for zebra, with black and white stripes. They run fast, with all their might. From A to Z, we've journeyed with glee. Thanks for exploring the alphabet with me. Remember, every letter has a story to tell, so keep learning and reading and you'll do swell. Give a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun-filled adventures and alphabetic vibes. Until next time, keep spelling and stay wise, and always let your imagination rise.